I would want to work with Mr. Bachchan for sure, or Rajkumar Rao for that matter, Nawazuddin Siddiqui for that matter. Because I did what I had to do. मतलब वही वाला हिसाब था और ऑप्शन क्या एंजॉयिंग लाइफ और ऑप्शन क्या है तो हम तो ऐसे ही काम करते थे आई वुड लव टू प्ले मोहनदास गांधी ऑन स्टेज आई हैव डन ऑन स्क्रीन वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर एंटायर स्टोरी ऑन विच इट वाज बेस्ड द क्राइम I never wanted to see that again. But they have placed it so beautifully. They have never shown anything like that. They just spoke about it, and still it created that trauma in my mind. लोचा लफड़ा और जलेबी फाफड़ा को गुजराती की लाइफ से कोई नहीं निकाल सकता.
Earlier, the kind of female attention that you were getting were maybe only from those Gujarati girls who watch you on screen and on stage, and now it's like, oh my god, it's not double. I would say it's like 10 times high. How do you feel about it, Pratik?
Oh my god. So yeah, I'm getting good love and attention from everybody, which I really love. It's the only thing is that I'm not able to answer all those comments that I'm getting on any of the social media platforms. Or there are a lot of mails that I have received where people are showing a lot of appreciation, love. It is very very encouraging. But okay, now through you, let me just tell it to everyone that I'm extremely sorry that I'm not able to reply you all, because believe me, my condition is really tough right now. I am just sitting in one corner of the room for 8 hours, answering all the interviews, giving all those Zoom interviews and telephonic interviews and all. So sometimes my family also feels that it seems that you are not even staying with us. You just come out to eat something and then again get into the room. So that's the scenario right now. But again, that is possible because of your love. So a lot of gratitude to you all guys. Thank you very much.
Rajkumar Rao is, I would always say, I used to say that, this is Hansal Mehta's muse. Do you think he has replaced him?
Oh my god, now that's a big thing, yeah, big thing. I don't know, yeah, about the replacement and all, because he's a brilliant actor. He's created a huge space for himself, and he's been doing a lot of good work. But I would love to do a lot of work with Hansal Mehta or a lot of other directors also. So yeah, I mean, if people think me in this lines, that's a good thing for me.
And with whom would you like to work? What kind of directors you are, curious and keen that, oh my god, what if I get to work with this person?
Oh, that's a huge long list. It is just a beginning, as I told you. So again, I mean, Hansal Mehta, then Anurag Basu, Anurag Kashyap, or Zoya Akhtar, or Sriram Raghavan, or there are a lot of things, man. Lot of names.
And with whom would you like to share the screen?
I would want to work with Mr. Bachchan for sure, or Rajkumar Rao for that matter, Nawazuddin Siddiqui for that matter, Konkana Sen Sharma, obviously.
So please tell us, about those films or those series that have made really deep impact on you as an actor as well as a viewer.
So Delhi Crime was one of those series that I watched in one go. Yeah, I watched it in one go. Though I never wanted to watch it because I can't see those. Though I thought the scene, the entire story on which it was based, the crime. I never wanted to see that again. But they have placed it so beautifully. They have never shown anything like that. They just spoke about it, and still it created that trauma in my mind. So I got intrigued because I remember I started watching, and halfway I thought in the first episode that I don't want to watch this scene getting recreated, but they never did that. So I loved that series. I got hooked onto it.
Which are those personalities that you would like to play? You feel that, oh my god, what if I'm a part of this biography when it's told on screen?
Oh, so there are a lot of biographical figures that I want to perform. One of them, I guess I told you last time also, which is Dr. Verghese Kurian, the Amul man, the guy who actually created Amul. Very, very interesting thing. There are a lot of businessmen who came from nowhere, created their big mark. So those interesting stories, and there are a lot of stories here. One is, of course, in fact, I would love to play Mohandas Gandhi on screen.
On screen, yes. On
Very
stage,
interesting
you've done
character.
it beautifully.
On stage, I've done. On screen, very interesting character.
So now, from the scam, the entire story, if you get to meet someone in person, who would that person be and why?
I would want to meet Harshad Mehta only.
What will you ask him?
I will definitely ask him for the tip that where should I invest. One thing. And if I am allowed to say something to him, then I would ask him to stop at one point. कि यार इसके आगे मत जाना बस.
Do you wish that you get to meet someone from his family who are there, like, right now?
Oh yeah, it would be very interesting to know their reviews or their reaction toward this entire series and how it has been, portraying him as a person. Like we never wanted to make him hero or villain or something. We just humanized him. That's it.
And as you said that you have been giving interviews continuously, but what is that one question that has not been asked to you, but you really want to talk about it?
See, everybody talks about the success and everything, And that too, once you create that success story, people are interested in your success, the process and everything. But failure is an integral part of this entire story. In anyone's life. So that should also be spoken about. That that happens. It's a part of the journey. So getting disheartened or being discouraged is not the option. The only option is to move forward. Yeah.
How do you see, the entire game has changed. When we talk of Pratik Gandhi now, at the third person's perspective, how do you see your story? I'm saying third person's perspective, not as Pratik Gandhi.
What did I do so differently? Because I did what I had to do. मतलब वही वाला हिसाब था और ऑप्शन क्या एंजॉयिंग लाइफ और ऑप्शन क्या है तो हम तो ऐसे ही काम करते थे कर रहे हैं और ऑप्शन क्या है बट नाउ व्हेन आई सी फ्रॉम अ थर्ड पर्सन एंगल आई थिंक ओके आई मस्ट हैव ओवरस्ट्रेच्ड माय सेल्फ टू अचीव दीस टू थिंग्स एंड ऑल without thinking much about it. So that must have helped me. A very fact that, valuing people around you and whom you work with is also one of the biggest virtue that you can have.
The dialogues from the series are which is your favorite dialogue?
Can you see my t-shirt?
लोचा लफड़ा जलेबी फाफड़ा. Okay.
लोचा लफड़ा और जलेबी फाफड़ा को गुजराती की लाइफ से कोई नहीं निकाल सकता.
सही है, absolutely, that's true. And it was lovely talking to you as always.
Thank you. See you guys. See you. Bye.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.